Now it's -12 outside. I took out those cars because I will change the oil in the car, and we can see that in the garage now it's -5. Okay, there is that thing, but first I will close the door and then I will start it. Oh, it's so cold here. This is Kraft&Dele with electronic. Yeah, I will show you now. And this is the gas. Need to turn on the electricity. Okay. Little bit, take it out like this, and now it shows it's -6, -7. Okay, I put the button down here, but I need to, yes, now it will start automatically. Still. Yeah, now it's good. And this is the temperature I want it warm till. And when it will be 11 in the garage, no, not 11 but 12, it will turn off automatically. So I can go out of the garage and not need to worry about it. And when it gets 9 degrees, it starts automatically, and it will go again and again till the gas will not be over, or I can turn it off. So yeah, let it be 11. Very warm, cool. So remember, now it's where is it? -5, and it's maybe 4. 12:55. We'll wait 5 minutes, just 5 minutes, and you will see how this big area will change in temperature. Okay, 5 minutes, boys. So 5 minutes left. I bring the oil that time, and look, now it's 13:01. Still working. Look the temperature. It was -4, 5 between. Now it's +2. In only 5 minutes, it became +7 degrees. Just 5 minutes, boys. Cool, really cool. If we will wait more 5 minutes, it will become +5 again. Really cool thing. Like it. Amazing thing.